Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to join the Among Us Discord server. First, open your web browser and go to discord.com. If you already have Discord installed on your computer or phone, you can use the app instead. Log in with your account. If you do not have one, select the option to create a new account and follow the steps to verify your email. Once you are on Discord, go to the search bar or open a new tab and type Among Us Official Discord Invite. Make sure you choose the official server. It will usually be at the top of the results and mention Innersloth, the creators of Among Us. You can also find the link directly on the official Among Us website or social media pages. Click on the invite link. A Discord window will open and show you the server name and icon. Select the Join Server button. If the server has rules, you will need to read them and click the button to agree. Some servers require you to verify yourself. Follow the instructions on the screen, which usually involve reacting to a message or completing a quick step to confirm you are not a bot. Once you are in, you will see channels for game lobbies, announcements, and voice chat rooms. Thanks for watching.